guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to slur, and this isn't actually going to be a very short video because slurring is actually sort of easy. I guess it could trip you up in the beginning, maybe the slight bow movements, but if you have been practicing the bow movement and, you know, going 1, 2, 3, 4, using full bow and the D scale, plucking or bowing, then you should be fine. If not, then just hold off on this video and just keep practicing the old techniques because it does take a while. I mean, I learned in a month maybe how to learn this song, and it's gonna take a while. So don't rush through these videos and then just expect things to go good overnight, because you do need practice, and depending on how quick you learn, you do need time to learn everything. So please don't rush through these videos or think that you're gonna be good at something overnight, because I can tell you that's not gonna be the case. So back to the slurring, I'm just going to show a quick demonstration of the D scale very quickly, bowing normally. So it's and I'm going to show you now how to slur, but I'm going to do slurring, I'm going to slur 2 notes except for the D at the end when I finish going back down the scale. So I'm gonna be slurring 2 notes at a time. So and if you could tell the difference, instead of it being da 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 da, it's da da. Every single 2 notes, you can hear like this slight parting that you hear in every other note for the other version, and that's just slurring. It's just putting 2 notes together, like I said. And here I'm gonna slur one part of I'm gonna do a part of the song that has a lot of slurring, so you can just hear the difference. It's all quarter notes. So here it would be and that was actually part of the song. And if you could see, the bow movement was the same for these 2 notes because they were slurred, and then the other ones, it's just up down motion again. Something that you should be careful, especially when beginning to slur, is giving the note the same value that it should have. So even if you slur, it should still have 1. So I really do recommend practicing this with a metronome, because as you're starting, you could maybe cut off the note short or give one note a longer time than the other, and it just creates unbalance. Because what you don't want is slurring, like let's say D and E, quarter notes. You don't want D to be like, you don't want to make D too long and then E too short. You want to have 1, 2, 3, 4. You want everything to be balanced, and you don't want to cut any note short or make it too long. So I do recommend practicing with the metronome, or just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and making sure your bow is going the same direction when you're doing the notes, so you don't part it. And of course, use a full bow, not for each note, but if it's slurred, you're gonna treat it as a half note sort of, and just use full bow for both notes, since you have to go in the same direction. You still want to use full bow, and then da da for the quarter note full bow. But that's it. That's all I really have to teach for slurring. So just practice. Please don't rush anything, and I'll see you guys next time.